Totally Juicy Pore Scrub, Apricot 6 fluid ounces. Fresh squeezed for fresh skin.Juice up your skin. Totally juicy facial care products are packed full of natural fruit extracts for clean, clear, and healthy looking skin. Drench your skin in refreshing satisfaction.This got-it-handled facial scrub cleans deep inside pores to purge dirt and residue, restoring zing to dull-looking skin. Vitamin-rich juicy apricot renews and smooths for an ultra-clear, even complexion. Totally juicy products are tested on friends and family, not animals. Contains no animal ingredients. Made in USA. Squeeze generously onto your hands and massage gently onto face and neck, avoiding contact with eyes. Rinse thoroughly. For an extra treat, follow with grapefruit peel-off mask. It goes on your face, not in your face. Please don't eat totally juicy products. KOSE Softy Mo Nose Pore Clear Pack, White. Wrinkle care and reduce wrinkles from dry hair in with Super Moist Essence Facial Moisturing Lotion. Set with retinol, collagen, squalene, and royal jelly compound. 1 body 2 deep pore skin replacement brush head. Great, there is an alternative. The face brushes work well. They seem to run louder on my device than the original ones. The body brush I won't buy again. It came in this set. It just doesn't seem to run right. Again, very loud and doesn't fit the same. That being said, they all do work. The noise doesn't bother me, and you can replace the brushes at this price like you are supposed to. So I'd say they are worth the try and see for yourself. Egg White Pore Cleansing Foam 5.07 ounces Nose. I absolutely love this product. I use it every day and my skin feels so refreshed and firm afterwards. I've been using it for about a month or so and I can definitely see the difference. My face is clearer, my skin looks brighter, and my pores look smaller. You only need to use a little bit of product so the 1 tube lasts for months. I got everyone in my house hooked on it. I recommend it. Etude House Wonder Pore Clearing Emulsion 130 ml. This is a pore emulsion that organizes pores with its fresh texture and light finish.